Thunderstorms will be rumbling through here tonight. Some of those, again, could be strong to severe with locally heavy rainfall and some strong winds lingering into the early part of the day tomorrow. Another round of showers Saturday and again Tuesday. So we're still in this very active weather pattern, and through next week, through midweek of next week, we could have at least a couple of inches of rain, and some of that heavy rain will continue yet through tonight. So there's the severe threat. It's an enhanced risk back to the west, where we have a better chance of, again, large-scale damaging winds and tornadoes. But as you notice, our thunder threat does continue even past the midnight time period, and it will be a very mild night with temperatures only dropping into the 50s by tomorrow morning. Keep in mind that our average overnight low is into the upper 30s. So pretty windy overnight tonight. Again, southerly wind gusts approaching 30 to near 40 miles per hour. We'll actually wake up to 54, and that will be well above the average by nearly 15 degrees. 6:42 is the sunrise. Sunset is at 5:35. And again, our daytime high tomorrow will be into the mid-60s, which will be a little bit above average. But again, a better chance of isolated tornadoes back to the west in that yellow hatched area, kind of sitting just on the eastern edge of that here in Meridian. But the 15% damaging wind threat is a little bit closer to us here in Meridian and eastern parts of the state. And again, kind of watching that line congeal into more of a significant wind threat overnight into the early morning hours of Thursday. And then that line continues to drop south, maybe redeveloping with some additional strong to severe thunderstorms over the Florida Panhandle and southern portions of Alabama, where there is a marginal severe threat as issued by the Storm Prediction Center tomorrow. So again, as that line comes through, additional heavy rainfall can't be ruled out. And in total, we may be looking at an inch plus in some spots, especially west and northwest of town. Look at that. Newton, Union, Philadelphia could see some 1 to 1¼ inch rainfall amounts, maybe even some isolated higher tallies, again, where those stronger thunderstorms exist. But again, a mild night tonight and noisy. Some of the storms could be a little bit on the strong side, and early tomorrow morning, winds still breezy out of the west, but they taper significantly after the lunch hour, especially as we get closer to the dinner hour tomorrow. Showers and storms lingering tomorrow morning, and then we see things quiet down into the afternoon. A daytime high reaches the mid-60s, again a little bit above average, and the winds starting to taper later in the day. So around the region, we'll have mid to upper 60s, especially again farther south. A little bit quieter Friday morning into the mid-40s, still above average, but we'll have some quieter conditions during the day Friday. Gets a little cooler Saturday as another storm system pushes through. We'll have more rain, and then looking out into Tuesday of next week, some additional showers and storms and more heavy rain.